Hello, we got Carlos. Hi, Carlos. Carlos
Hi.
and Gabriella, and we're gonna have a volcano. We're making a volcano. So now you're gonna get this. Open this. Can you open this thing up? Okay, that's the vinegar. Okay. Now put the vinegar. Why don't you pour the vinegar in here so it's easier to. Okay. There you go. Okay.
How much?
Put just keep doing it. I think a little bit more.
Just tell me when to stop, Mom.
Okay, why don't you stop now? Okay? Excellent. Now,
Okay.
oh, let Carlos do that one. Okay? Okay, here comes the vinegar. And if we did everything right, this thing should be erupting. Is it erupting?
It's not erupting.
Huh?
No.
Not erupting?
Maybe we need to put more powder.
I thought I did already. That's weird. Okay, technical difficulties. I need vinegar. You can do anything? Get
Sort
erupting?
of there.
Huh?
Sort of there.
Put some more. Should be erupting. Oh, there it is! Okay, oh, yay! There it is! The erupting volcano! Okay, yay! Oh my gosh! Okay.
More.
Oh, no more of that. Let's see what happens. I think it says put some more. Is it all the way to the top now? Put a little bit more vinegar. Okay. I think we just. You know what? I think it just needed time to. I'll leave it. Okay. So doing it.
It went on.
Slow erupting. Okay, now let's put a little bit more. Okay, now let's see what happens if it's a little bit more then.
It's shrinking, Mommy.
There you go.
No, hold it first.
Cool. You want it? Okay, here it comes. Yay! There's more volcano stuff coming in. And there you go. Your volcano. Excellent. We're going to keep this. Let Carlos do it. There it is. Okay, guys, you did it. You did it. I don't know if any more is going to happen, but. Oh my God! Look at that! It's erupting. That it is. Whoa! Yeah, can you get that? There's our erupting volcano, and it smells like vinegar, all right. Our vinegar volcano. I think if you keep, I thought I read that if you keep putting that. Okay, that's it for the, okay. That's that old vinegar I had there that had anything with. Look at the Play-Doh getting on. Okay, kids, sounds good. Yay.
More baking soda.
More baking soda? Okay.
But we don't have any more vinegar.
Yeah, well, let's see if this does anything, okay? This is all stuff like I'm going to get rid of anyone here. So. Okay. Now keep it. Here it comes. It's coming again. It's erupting again. Nope, I think it's good there.
There's no more.
Okay, I think we're all set there.
Turn it
Look, it's doing it by itself. Oh my God.
Oh.
Yay. Cool. And there you go. Baking soda. No, let's save that for the next time. I just used all the red. Oh, okay. That's enough.
Now that looks like it. Yeah,
Okay,
put more.
Yeah,
Put more.
That's why I tried to color the water.
Put more of it.
Yeah.
Now that looks like a real volcano.
Yeah. Actually, that Play-Doh stuff you put around the bottom, that looks like a real mountain, volcano mountain. All right. Oh. All right, kids.
Yeah.
Let me see. That's it. Still have it there. Good job. And here's our volcano makers. Whoa.
Oh my God.
Cool, huh? Neat. That's a neat looking thing. A little mountain there, huh? Excellent. Okay, we've been on there for almost 5 minutes on this, and then I'm gonna. Yay. Cool. Ooh, that stuff smells. I can't. I'm gonna stop it now.